Today, you're going to be learning the basic concepts of business management without even realizing it. Scale-Up, the business game, is a card game where you'll take the leading role of the manager of a modern furniture retailer. Imagine that you are the owner of this company, and you've started everything on your own, and you've hired 3 people to run the business with you. But recently, you've realized that all the administrative tasks and paperwork just take up too much of your time. It's annoying and even complicated sometimes. So you've decided to set up a business management software, Odoo, to help you organize and manage your tasks. While playing, you'll discover how 90% of companies run their business. Let's get started. Each business case is split into several cards. Each card has to be played in 3 steps. Let's start with the buy and sell business case. On the front of the cards, you'll see a conversation between you and your colleague. Your employee gives you relevant information with important details or actions highlighted in green bold that needs to be reflected on Odoo.com. Secondly, on your Odoo.com database, you'll search for ways on how you can respond to the situation explained by the employee. On Odoo, you'll always find in each app at the top purple bar, which is the main application menu and its submenus. Green buttons indicate the next action process, a status bar that shows you where you are in the process, and the main screen with the information you're working on. The card displays each click or action you had to do on your Odoo database to solve the case. If you see that you did all as shown on the back without looking at it, well done. You win 2 points. On the other hand, if you did miss something and needed the answers, you only get 1 point. Don't worry if you make a mistake. Simply follow the answers on the back and make the few changes needed in order to be ready for the next card. When you've solved all of the cards of the business case, you can count the total number of your points and see who did the best. There are 7 business cases in total. Just pick the next case you'd like to discover. Good luck with your new business adventure.